To join me on this page and to get the best available deal with Northwest, go to the link on screen or get here by clicking the link that you can find in the description down below. Once you're on this page, select New York as your state, and then click Get Started. If you're not quite ready to start the filing yet, that's completely fine. Just follow along, and you can come back to the link whenever you're ready. When you land on the Order tab, you'll see everything that's included in your formation service. You get 1 year of registered agent service free, a free business address and mail scanning, a free domain, website, email and phone line, free brand protection, and renewal alerts and filing service enrollment. Northwest calls the domain, website, email, and phone line their business identity features. They're free forever at the starting level, and if you need to, you can upgrade to paid versions as your business grows. The entity type is already set to LLC, which is what we're forming today. You'll also see an option for corporation, but that doesn't apply here, so leave LLC selected. And the jurisdiction will already be set to New York. Scrolling down, you'll see the New York filing fee here, $205 for standard processing. That's the state fee, not a Northwest charge. You would pay that regardless of how you file. Even if you wanted to be your own registered agent and handle everything yourself, you're still paying this fee to the state of New York. And here you'll see an option to add the publication service. This is for the New York publication requirement that we covered earlier. If you click the tooltip, Northwest explains exactly what's included for the $375. Now that might seem like a significant add-on, but keep in mind that publication costs vary a lot depending on where in New York your LLC is based, and doing this yourself in certain counties can get expensive quickly. Northwest has an office in Albany, one of the cheapest counties to publish in, and they handle the entire process for you. I'll also link their New York publication page in the description below if you want a bit more detail. But generally, this will be one of the easiest and most affordable ways to meet the requirement. The Northwest Basic Package is $39, which you can see on the right side of the screen. That's their flat service fee on top of the state fee. You can see the rest of the included items here, and when you're ready, click Continue. Now we're on the Company tab. This is where you'll enter your company name. Enter your LLC name in the company name field below. You'll notice that there's a separate designator dropdown right next to it. The most common designator is already selected, so I would go with that. Below that, you'll see the preview showing exactly how your business name will appear on the state records. If your name isn't available, Northwest will guide you through some options. I'll be using Business Tutorial Academy LLC. Once you're done, click Continue. Now we're on the Business Details tab. You'll see a business purpose field here. Just enter a short description of what your LLC does. 1 or 2 sentences is all you need. Keep it simple and straightforward. For example, I'll use something like creation and publication of educational content, tutorials, and online courses for business and entrepreneurship. For both the physical address and mailing address, you'll see that these are already set to Northwest's Our Registered Agent address. And that's exactly what we want. This is one of the real benefits of using Northwest. If you click on the blue question mark tooltip, they explain why using their address keeps your personal information off of public records. I'd recommend leaving both of these set to the Northwest address. Next, if you have a business attorney, you can switch this to yes. And then you can enter their email. If you don't, just leave this as no. Once you're done, click Continue. Now we're on the Account tab, and this is where you'll create your login for Northwest. Enter your first and last name, and then a phone number. Northwest uses that for 2-factor authentication to help keep your account secure. Then enter your email and create a strong password. Make sure it's something secure that you haven't used elsewhere and save it somewhere safe. When you're done, click Continue. Next is the Management tab. Here you'll choose your management type. Member Managed is already selected, and for most people, that's the right choice. If you click the tooltip, it explains the difference. Member Managed means the owners make all the decisions themselves. Manager Managed is for situations where the owner is not involved in day-to-day operations and wants to hire a manager to make business decisions. If you're not sure, leave it on Member Managed. Below that, you'll see Member 1. Enter your first and last name here. The address is already set to their registered agent address, which is what we want. If your LLC has more than one owner, click Add Member, and then enter each person's details the same way. When you're done, click Continue. Now you're on the Recommended tab, and this is actually where we handle step 4 of setting up your LLC, getting your employer identification number, or EIN. You'll see Tax ID here as the first option. That's your EIN. Your EIN is basically your business's social security number. You'll need it to open a business bank account, file your taxes, and hire employees if you ever need to. For $50, Northwest will handle all the IRS paperwork for you, and your EIN will show up directly in your Northwest account once it's ready. If you prefer to save the $50, you can get your EIN directly from the IRS for free at irs.gov. Just keep in mind that you'll have to wait until your New York LLC is officially approved before you can apply yourself. If you want to keep things moving and have Northwest handle it, the $50 is worth it. I have done this myself in the past, but for my next LLC, I plan to include it here. Otherwise, skip this and apply on the IRS website once your approval comes through. The next option is the S-Corp election with the IRS. This doesn't mean you're forming a corporation. You're still forming an LLC. This is purely a tax election that changes how the IRS taxes your business. If you're not sure whether this makes sense for you, skip it for now. You can always make this election later, and it's really a conversation to have with a CPA once your business is up and running. We'll come back to this in step 7. Next is premium mail service. This is different from your registered agent service. It's for all of your regular business mail. If you want a unique business address in a real commercial building, and you'd like Northwest to handle all of your incoming mail, then this is the option for you. It's not something everybody needs, especially if you already have a good mail setup, but it's worth knowing that it's available. Toggle it on to explore the options, or leave it off if you don't need it. I've linked their New York mail forwarding page in the description below with more details. If you want to protect your brand name or logo, Northwest offers a trademark filing service for $5.99. It's not required to form your LLC, but if you're building a real brand, it's worth considering. You can skip this today and come back to it later. The last option is DBA trade name filing, also called doing business as. This lets your LLC operate publicly under a different name than your legal LLC name. If your brand name and your LLC name are the same, you don't need this. If you want to do business under a different name without setting up an entirely new business, you can add it here for $150. And if you're not sure about any of these right now, don't worry. As you can see in the Good to Know section at the bottom, you can add or cancel any of these services later from within your account. When you're ready, click Continue. Now you're on the Payment tab. Enter your payment details and billing address, and before you submit, take a look at the order summary on the right side of the screen. You'll see the Northwest Basic Package, the New York State filing fee, and any of the add-ons that you've selected. Make sure everything looks right, and click Submit Order. Once your payment goes through, you'll be taken into your Northwest account. From there, you can track the status of your filing and see an estimated completion date. New York standard processing takes 1 day, so keep an eye on your email from Northwest for updates.